Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Today, let's discuss means of transport. What comes to mind when you think of vehicles?
Cars, buses, and motorcycles are some common ones.
Absolutely. Cars are widely used for personal transportation. What other types of vehicles can you think of?
Well, there are trucks, vans, and bicycles too.
Good examples. Trucks are often used for transporting goods, while vans are popular for group travel. Bicycles are an eco-friendly option for short distances. Any other vehicles you can think of?
Yes, trains and trams are commonly used for commuting in cities.
That's correct. Trains are efficient for long-distance travel, and trams provide convenient transportation within urban areas. How about air travel? Any vehicles related to that?
Of course. Airplanes and helicopters are important means of transport for traveling long distances or reaching remote areas.
Exactly. Airplanes are the most common form of air travel, while helicopters are often used for medical emergencies or aerial surveys. Let's not forget about water transport. Can you name any water vehicles?
Ships and boats are commonly used for transportation on water.
That's right. Ships are larger vessels used for international travel and cargo transport, while boats are smaller and can be used for fishing or leisure activities. Is there anything else that comes to mind?
Well, I can't think of anything else at the moment. These are the main means of transport that I know.
Excellent. You've covered a wide range of vehicles. Remember, means of transport are crucial for our daily lives and help us get from one place to another conveniently. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Means of transport are indeed essential for our mobility. It's fascinating how we have such a variety of vehicles to choose from based on our needs and preferences.
Absolutely. And the advancements in technology have led to some innovative modes of transport. Have you heard of electric scooters and electric bikes?
Yes, I have. Electric scooters and bikes have gained popularity as eco-friendly alternatives for short commutes, especially in urban areas.
That's right. They are not only environmentally friendly but also convenient and cost-effective. Another interesting development is the concept of autonomous vehicles. Have you come across that term?
Yes, autonomous vehicles are vehicles that can operate without human intervention. They use advanced technologies like sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate and make decisions on their own.
Exactly. Self-driving cars are the most well-known example of autonomous vehicles. They have the potential to revolutionize transportation and improve road safety in the future.
It's fascinating how technology keeps shaping the way we travel. Speaking of technology, have you heard about Hyperloop transportation?
Yes, Hyperloop is an exciting concept. It's a proposed mode of transportation where pods travel through a vacuum-sealed tube at high speeds, using magnetic levitation and low air resistance.
It sounds futuristic. If it becomes a reality, it could drastically reduce travel times between cities and revolutionize long-distance transportation.
Absolutely. The world of transportation is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay updated with the latest advancements. Well, that wraps up our discussion on means of transport. Thanks for engaging in this conversation.
You're welcome. It was an interesting topic to explore. I'm looking forward to our next discussion. Have a great day.
You're welcome. It was an interesting topic to explore. I'm looking forward to our next discussion. Have a great day.